How to edit your username in Discord. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact simple steps on how you can change your username in Discord. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the Discord settings. So you can go to the Discord settings by clicking onto this gear icon at the bottom. Once you click here, you will be landed into this My Account section, and from here you can see this option that is username. So currently this is my username. In order to edit this, simply click onto this edit button, and from here you can simply type in the new username. So let's say I will type in the new username, and you will need to make sure that this username is unique and not similar to anyone else. So let me give it some combinations, and then once I have done with this, I will simply type in my current password, and after typing in my current password, I will click on done, and my new username will be successfully reflected. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.